27th February 2019, one complainant, namely Abdul Mullah, resident of Ratwada Naveli, came to this police station and lodged his complaint that on 25th February 2019, in the early morning at 070 hours, one of his, he had sent one of his employees, namely Siddiqui Sheikh, to Patoda, to his brother, to collect the money from Patoda. Accordingly, Siddiqui Sheikh collected the money from Patoda, 40 lakh rupees cash, and kept in the bag, one khaki color bag. And with his motorcycle, he was coming from Patoda to Margao via Old Market and Education Department. And when reached at near Carlos residence, Advocate Carlos residence, Old Market Circle, three persons stopped him and also wrongfully restrained him. Further, he ran away. He kept his motorcycle on the side and ran away with the bag of cash containing rupees 40 lakhs. He ran away to behind Education Department, thereafter towards Old Fatima Convent School. And they chased him after 200 meters. And all of them caught him and removed the bag. And all of them with their motorcycle ran away from the spot with the cash bag containing 40 lakhs. Thereafter, complainant came to this police station. On 25th and 26th, complainant searched for the persons who have committed a crime. Thereafter, on 27th, the complainant came to the Patoda police station and lodged his complaint. And thereafter, he complainant given two names, namely Mohammed Gauss and one Mohammed Azhar. Accordingly, based on the information given by the complainant, we have registered the FIR and one unknown person. First complaint was given against three persons, two known persons name and one unknown person. Thereafter, we have obtained the mobile numbers of all the three persons and kept the mobile number under observation. Accordingly, we came to know that all three persons had gone to Karnataka state from Dharwad, Haveri and Hubli areas. Thereafter, they switched off their mobile. On 1st March, in the evening, one of the accused switched on his mobile and called his wife in Goa. And at that time, we came to know that their location is at Karwar Circle, near bus stand. Accordingly, our team was already present after registration of the crime in Karnataka, consisting of one PSI Aditya Vedi. Thereafter, yesterday I went along with my other force to Karnataka and searched all the lodges in Karwar, lodges, rest house in Karwar. And in one lodge, we came to know that one person entered, check-in, with identity of license of Goa address, Goan address. Accordingly, we asked the hotel owner about the persons. They informed that they are on the second floor of Om Lodge at Karwar. Accordingly, we went to the second floor and checked and searched this room, 211 room. And inside we found three accused persons. First two names were, number one name is Mohammed Gauss, number two Mohammed Azhar, number three Mohammed Qasim Imran. Thereafter, we have searched all the three persons in the room and we found cash of rupees 10,10,000 in the room. Thereafter, we thoroughly interrogated all of them and we have arrested all of them and attached 10,10,000 cash and brought all of them last night to Patoda police station and arrested all of them in the crime. Thereafter, during interrogation, they disclosed that there were four persons. Two cars were used, two motorcycles were used, one Ertiga car, one Maruti Swift car. Both the cars attached, both the motorcycle we have attached. Thereafter, after the committing crime, one more person was present by name Shabbir Sheikh, with the mastermind behind this crime. Shabbir Sheikh is the employee of the complainant. He had given information to all other three persons. And thereafter, we During interrogation, the fourth Shabir Sheikh was also arrested, and during interrogation they disclosed that after the crime, in the evening they have divided the amount, 10 lakhs to each of them. 10 lakhs to each of them, 4 persons. And they kept some amount in their residences and in their houses, and remaining amount they went to Karnataka. Thereafter, we have under recovery Panjnama, we have recovered altogether 35 lakhs. First 10 lakh 10,000, thereafter 25 lakhs. Total 35 lakhs 10,000 we have recovered under Panchanama. Total 40 lakhs. Remaining our investigation is in progress.
40 lakhs
He is the businessman. He is his
business?
brother is money exchange, forex money exchange in the Pathoda area. And his brother, and the complainant is having showroom and cloth merchants, business and shops establishment in Margao. President of Housing Board Dovole. Rumda Mall. All the four
all the exits are from?
Rumda Mall Dovole.
And the fourth one?
Fourth one also from Rumda Mall Dovole. Native of Karnataka. All are native of Karnataka. Further investigation is in progress.
आणि किती असा यांच्या पहिले त्यांचा रेकॉर्ड?
We are checking the antecedents, other crimes, everything of all the persons. This remand from the Geography Court Margao.
कितले?
9 days police custody remand.
ते 40 lakhs बॉम्बेच्यान घेऊन येतात.
So from the shop, from the brother of the complainant.